Hi there, my name's Chris, Sales Manager for Sound and Vision in Bolton. We're looking at a brand new product today from Sharp. Two models in this range, the LC40LE821 and the LC40LE821. The models are known as the Quattron range. They contain a unique feature which is a fourth coloured pixel, which is a yellow pixel. On any other TV you have three coloured pixels making up the entire image, which is a red, green and blue pixel. On this one you've got the addition of a fourth pixel, which is a yellow pixel. What that does is not only bring through a more natural yellow colour tone to the screen, so if you're watching anything that is yellow on screen it's portrayed better, but it gives you far more gradation from one colour to the next, so you get a more fluid flow from sort of the reds, the greens, the blues and every other colour that's in the spectrum because of this addition of the yellow pixel that's on there as well. You've also got a set here which is full HD. They'll cope with 720p, 1080i and 1080p resolution. They are 100 Hz scanning. What that means is you basically take a standard TV picture made up of 50 pictures per second. You've got 100 pictures per second making up your image on the Sharp Quattron, giving you a more fluid control of any fast movement that may be on there as well. This particular range on the 821 series also have an 8GB disk drive built in. So if you're watching the program on here now and somebody comes to the door or the phone rings, you can actually pause what you're watching here. It will continue to record the information that's on screen there for you, so you come back to it, so you can do what they call time shift recordings internally on the TV because of its 8GB disk drive that's built into the set itself. They come on a swivel base. The set is a LED sourced lit TV, so you've got LED lights behind the panel to illuminate the screen. What that does is make the panel extremely slim, so we're only looking at 39mm in depth. So it's on a swivel base, so if we spin this round, okay, so as I stated before, the TV set itself is only 39mm in depth, so it makes it ideal for wall mounting. The sockets on the side of the TV are all recessed, the sockets underneath are all recessed as well. So 39mm in depth, ideal for wall mounting. If we go through these sockets now, at the top here you have a USB socket, underneath that you've got an Ethernet connection. Coming down from there you've also got audio out and you've also got AV input here as well. You've got a VGA socket, so if you want to plug say your PC into here you can do so via the VGA socket. And you've then got 4 HDMIs. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4 running down there in a row. And you've also got a cam slot down here as well, so if you want any pay-per-view channels just underneath here you've got a cam slot there as well. Underneath the TV, if we just pan the camera down just for a second, underneath here we've also got a recessed aerial socket. Now this TV has got a HD tuner built into it, so you can get BBC HD, ITV HD and Channel 4 HD just from your standard TV aerial. You've also got a digital audio output, so you've got an optical socket underneath here, so if you want to feed the sound digitally out of here through an external source like an amplifier you can do so as well. And that pretty much completes the array of sockets that are on the set itself. Okay, so here we have the Sharp Quattron. The picture quality is absolutely stunning. If you can get into our showroom to have a look at this, please call in. The product is probably one of the best TVs that I've ever seen. Picture quality and sound quality, superb sound system in this TV as well. We'll go through some of the picture settings now to show you what's available. The TV I said is full HD. HD tuner built into it for BBC ITV Channel 4 HD. It's got a very good scaler built into the TV, so if you are watching a non-HD programme, just standard BBC, ITV, whatever it may be, we'll actually upscale those programmes to a pseudo high def picture quality for you. Works really well, it's got a very good scaler built into this TV as well. The remote control that you get with the TV has a button on here which says menu. If we press the menu button, it gives you a very extensive menu system. If you like your menus, then to be quite honest with you, there's a lot to play with on this TV. First of all, we're on channel list. It gives us all the list of programmes. At the moment we're on BBC HD, so that's the first one that comes up on the screen here. We can click along on there to the different menus. We've got the EPG guide. If we go into the EPG guide, which is the electronic programme guide, it will give us all the listing for the various different programmes, Channel 4 HD and so on down the scale on here as well. we can go up and click through all those programs. We're now on BBC HD and various others. We go through there, it takes us through all the different programs that are built into the TV. As I said, it does have a HD tuner built into it, which is a Freeview tuner as well, so you've got all the Freeview channels as well as your HD channels. If you select the program that you want, so if we go on to, I don't know, let's say ITV, at the moment we're on channel 11, we'll just jog down there to channel 3, there we go. It tells us what's on there at the moment. So at the moment you've got Midsummer Murders, that's on there. If we click along to the right, we can select any program that we want on there as well. If you come to a program and you're not sure what that program is about, so if we go on to this one here, it's highlighted in blue, it tells us 1 million years BC. If you click the red button on the remote control, it will give us a quick guide to what the program is about on there as well. If we come off the EPG guide now and we go back into the menu system, we can click along then through the EPG to the various other settings that are on the TV as well. If we go into the tool menu, we can then jog down from there into the picture menu, and you've then got on-screen menus for adjusting the backlight. This particular range of TVs use an LED backlight, which gives us the extremely thin panels. With it being LED, you get an extremely bright picture and very good black levels. You've got a very good contrast level on this TV. So you get a very good reproduction of black, so a natural colour flesh tone on there, good depth of scene and great details on the darker areas of the screen as well. But you can come down to any of those adjustments on there for adjusting the contrast, brightness, colour, tint and sharpness. But you've also got advanced settings as well. So if you really want to start tweaking up the picture, highlight advanced settings, and then you've got all sorts of adjustments that you can make into the advanced settings as well on there. We'll just come out of that menu for a moment. And if we go down into the audio menu, you've also got adjustments for treble and bass, but you've also got surround sound built into this TV. So you've got surround sound off or on. If you activate the surround sound, it will throw the sound out and around. It's got a very good sound system in the set as well. Yet again, we'll just come out of that menu, and then we can go into the setup menu. And once you're in the setup menu, you click down and then you're into all these other sub menus as well for adjusting picture settings again, different audio settings and so on. So you've got a lot of adjustments you can make to the settings on this TV. You've even got, if you come down from there, wall mount audio setup. This particular TV has different settings for the sound if you are wall mounting compared to whether you have it just on its normal tabletop stand as well. So plenty of features on the TV, stunning picture and sound quality. I said with it using the Quattron technology on this TV with that yellow pixel, it's an absolutely stunning image. What I would say, if you'd like more details on this, please give me a call. My name's Chris. You can get hold of me on 01204 861 861. Go to our website, which is soundinvision.co.uk, or just click the link at the side of here if you want more details. Thank you.